Good morning, students. Myself Kamalnath. I welcome you once again in my class of English. We are learning this week all the chapters, question, answers, and all other types of questions for examination. And this is the third video in that series. In the last two videos, I have already discussed so many questions from exercise, from story, from the chapters, and from the poems. And in this third video, I am going to discuss and explain you some exercises from grammar and uses and words in use. You know, these two regular topics of the exercises are grammar and uses and words in use. And I am sure that you all practice these exercises, you use them in your spoken and written both, so that you can sign and smooth your language in both written and spoken. So let us see what are the exercises. First of all, I am taking the chapter 4, that is Patol Babu Film Star, and in that you have here the exercise: find the words or phrases in the text that mean nearly the same as these. And you know very well, you have done in book. Let's make them all fresh. So you have been given the explanation of the word, and the word you can find from the para number, which para number in the text, that is also given. So I have already solved that, and I no doubt send you. You will note down if not done, and you will learn. Refuse someone's request or offer. Here the explanation is given: to refuse someone's request or offer. What word in para 6 has the same meaning? And the word, that phrase is turn away. Sometimes you may find here the word or phrases. So refuse someone's request or offer, that will be turn away. Needed or wanted by many people. Needed or wanted by many people. That phrase is in para 11. Although I have written here by mistake demand, but that will be in demand. That will be in demand. So in will be before demand. Let's see third one. Earn the money you need to pay for housing, food, and other everyday necessities. That is in para 11. The word which have the same meaning as this explanation is in para 11, and that is livelihood. Fourth one is make your situation in life better. Obviously, that is improve. A person who has been made to look ridiculous. That word is in para 28 of the chapter Patol Babu Film Star, and that is laughing stock. Certainly you remember, and you must be remembering, when Patol Babu got his dialogue to be spoken in the film, monosyllabic word, he was no doubt shocked to see that word, and he thought that he had been made laughing stock. Okay. Becoming more important or famous, that is rising, and that is also word here in para 30, and that is used as an adjective for Chanchal Kumar, a rising executive. So here the word is here rising. Next explanation is extremely painful. For that the word is in para 41, excruciating. Eighth one is large amount of time and effort that someone spends on something. That is dedication. That is what here you all are no doubt dedicated. You are dedicating your time for your study, and everyone has in some kind of work that they dedicate. They give sufficient time, their best effort, and complete that word. That is called dedication. Here I have here another chapter 5, the adventures of an understudy. Here exercise B is there, in which the here question is, in these pairs of sentences one has an adverb phrase and the other an adverb clause. Identify these and write AP for adverb phrase and AC for adverb clause. No doubt, in case of adverb clause, we have to write its kinds. What kinds of adverb clause? That is the part that we are finding. There is a large tree at the end of this road. Already done in the book. At the end of this road, that is adverb phrase. These are the words of a group of words which has a sense. And you know what is adverb phrase? These are the group of words which has sense but not complete sense. But in adverb clause, okay, we have a group of words in which you will find there is a subject and a verb with it. That is clause. So let us see in B. There is a large tree where this road meets the railway track. And obviously the underlined part is adverb clause because it has subject, this road, and verb meets. That only makes it a clause, not adverb phrase. Where this road meets the railway track. So this group of words is adverb clause, and that is adverb clause of place. Let us see another one, second one. He will join us only after his work gets done. Only after his work gets done, that is adverb clause of time. And next one is, he will join us at the last minute, that is adverb phrase. Third one, A, she travelled with us despite her health. The words despite her health is a group of words, that is adverb phrase, because it doesn't have either a subject or verb. That's why it's phrase. She travelled with us although she was not feeling well. Although she was not feeling well is adverb clause. It has a subject she and verb feeling, and that's why it is adverb clause, and it is adverb clause of concession. Adverb clause here, condition here, all the kinds of adverb you know very well, and that's why on basis of that whatever is taught and explained, it is adverb clause of concession. Fourth, A, he would always talk as if everyone else in the room were deaf. He would always talk as if everyone else in the room were deaf. And here this underlined part of the sentence is adverb clause again. It has a subject and verb as well. So it is adverb clause of manner. B is here. He would always talk at such a high volume. At a such high volume, that is adverb phrase. To make the most of it, I decided to go to the beach. Here underlined part in this sentence, to make the most of it, is adverb phrase. I went to the beach since I wanted to make the most of it. Here also some part of that one is here, to make the most of it. But here we have some other words, and that is I wanted, since I wanted, and I is subject, wanted verb, that makes it clause, adverb clause, and that is adverb clause of reason. You can buy this game. The next one is, you can buy this game if you save up money, and that is what? Adverb clause of condition. Next is, with more money you can buy this game. So with more money is here adverb phrase. Next one is here, that is here exercise C. In this you have to join the clauses in column A with the just clause, if clause, that is in column B, under column B, and that I have already just here matched them, solved them, and then I have typed that. So first one, that is, the dress might have been perfect This was already solved in the book. First one is already generally solved. So the dress might have been perfect if it hadn't been so expensive. Second one, Tejas would have asked the doctor many more questions if he had seen him before the surgery. So third one, she would have stopped talking to you if you had not attended the meeting. Here it will be attended here. That is a slight mistake. Attended the meeting. Next one is, they could have enjoyed their holiday a lot more if they had stayed longer and seen places around. Fifth one, I wouldn't have been here today, if clause will be here, if I hadn't received such a warm invitation from you. And in this series, the next one is, the child might have been cheerful if he had eaten a snack before the show. We have here to make conditional sentences, type 1, type 2, type 3, and that is taught in grammar well. You know what will be the structure of type 1 conditional sentence, type 2 conditional sentence, and type 3. So let's see, the given sentences are here, 2 sentences, and we have to frame them just according to the instruction given in the bracket. He fell ill just before the examination, so his grades were not good. We have to change into type 3. This was already solved in the book. If he had not fallen ill just before the examination, his grades would have been good. Second one is, the farmers want to start sowing. Will it rain soon? These pairs of sentences are to be joined and retained just on basis of type 1 conditional sentence. If it rains soon, farmers will want to start sowing. Next one is, third one, is it possible they will reduce the price? Then we are likely to buy a car. And these sentences are to be joined just using type 2 conditionals. And that will be like this: if they reduce the price, we would be likely to buy the car. Fourth one is, you should wear a helmet when riding a bicycle. You will stay safe. And these 2 sentences are to be joined following type 1 conditional rule. If you wear a helmet when riding a bicycle, you will stay safe. And you know, when you start with if conditional, certainly there will be here comma, okay, after the conditional sentence. Fifth one is, I would love to visit this library every day, but I don't live in this area. If I lived in this area, I would love to visit this library every day. She brought lunch for all of us, or else we won't have eaten. And this is to be formed following type 3 conditional sentence, and that is, if she hadn't brought lunch for all of us, we wouldn't have eaten. Here chapter 6 is feathered friend. Complete these sentences by using the correct forms of the highlighted words. That is given in the here bracket. That is what here the word I have given in the blank only, that is highlighted. Your word was here in the bracket. You have to write the correct form of that verb in the here blank. That will be here which participle, okay, indefinite or participle. They expected to succeed in their struggle. Succeed will be here to succeed form, here in infinitive form. They did not wish to make the neighbors suspicious. From make, you have to use here to make, and that is infinitive form of the verb make. You need to practice speaking clearly. Here speaking is participle form, you know. Fourth one is, they hesitated to open the door. Here open will be infinitive form, and that will be to open. Stop shouting. We don't want to wake people up. 6.1. Do you remember meeting him at the party last week? The doctor said you must stop smoking immediately. And the last one is here, we have to get up early. Don't forget to set the alarm. So these were the exercises from grammar and uses and words in use, and that is very important for all of us to learn and to practice them. Translate them into our daily practical language, spoken and written book. So thank you, student. Thank you very much, and hope that you are very sound, very careful. Stay safe. Thank you, students.